Hi friends, welcome to the lesson. In this lesson, we are going to know about conservation of energy. Energy can be energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to another. This is called law of conservation of energy. In our daily life, we are so many times observing that energy is changing from one form to another form. Let us see the examples. Look here, mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy by a dynamo. The boy riding the bicycle provides mechanical energy as input to the dynamo, which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy, and so the bulb glows. Again, electrical energy converts into mechanical energy in a motor. Look here, the rotating fan takes the given electrical energy input from the supply mains and converts it into mechanical energy. Look here, electrical energy converts into heat energy in an electric iron. In this electric iron is a device used to convert electrical energy into heat energy. The basic principle is that when a current is passed through a piece of wire, the wire heats up. This heat is distributed to the sole, that means the base plate of the electric iron through conduction. Again, heat energy is converted into electrical energy in a thermocouple. A thermocouple is a device used to convert heat into electrical power. It measures the temperature difference between 2 points. Thermocouples are among the most widely used temperature sensors due to their wide availability and very low cost. Let us see another example for energy conservation. Electrical energy converted into sound energy in a loudspeaker. A loudspeaker receives electrical energy in the form of electrical signals from microphone and converts into sound energy. And a microphone converts the sound energy into the electrical energy in the form of varying electrical signals. Let us see another example. Charging a battery means electrical energy converts into chemical energy. While charging a battery, the electrical energy changes into the chemical energy of the cell. And when we are using a cell, then chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. From an electrical cell, when current is drawn, the chemical energy stored in it changes into the electrical energy. Another example, if you light a candle, it converts chemical energy into light energy. When a candle burns, it gives light. Similarly, in kerosene lamp, when the oil soaked in its wick burns, the chemical energy changes into light energy. Another example, light energy converts into chemical energy, that is in photosynthesis. The light energy from the sun is absorbed by the green plants and they change it in the form of the chemical energy during the photosynthesis. Next one, electric bulb. This electrical bulb converts electrical energy into light energy. When an electric bulb glows on passing an electric current through it, the electrical energy changes into the heat and light energy. In a photoelectric cell, the light energy gets converted into the electric energy. In a solar cell, the light energy changes into the electrical energy. Another example, look here, this is the watch spring. Here, if you unwind that watch spring, potential energy converts into kinetic energy. And here, a loaded truck when started and set into motion, chemical energy from the engine converts into kinetic energy. Here, a car is going uphill, means kinetic energy converts into potential energy because it is going uphill. Another example, respiration. In the respiration, chemical energy converts into heat energy. Burning of a matchstick. Here also chemical energy is converted into heat energy and light energy. Next example, explosion of crackers. That is again chemical energy converts into heat and light energy and also sound energy. Here in a steam engine, heat energy converts into mechanical energy and also sound energy. In a washing machine, electrical energy converts into mechanical energy and also sound energy. Another example, gas burner. This also changes chemical energy into light energy and heat energy. In an electric toaster, electrical energy converts into heat energy and sound energy. Look here, here is another example, an electromagnet. Here, electrical energy is converted into magnetic energy. Thank you.